Hey, you. Yeah, you. Yeah. Did you sub? Did you click sub? Bruh. Click that sub, bruh. Jeez, who's that? Yo, just here at gas station thing. Just feeding my girl, you know? Gotta take your girls out for dinner. I just let them starve out here. So the fucking gas guzzler stays at the gas station. So this is like some weird clear brock shit. I'm just gonna leave it realistically. The other side doesn't have it, which is interesting. But like the other side actually rotted, so that's the part I fixed. Hope y'all ain't hear my fucking Playboy Cardi and shit. Get a copyright on this motherfucker. But yeah, I really just went on a cruise type board and shit. Gas expensive than a motherfucker. We out here. I should check the oil, but it should be fine. Bam. Damn, one nigga's burning all the oil. Get the shit out of me. What the fuck is that? Skirt.
Tomorrow.
Just here at the homie shop. I'm getting my oil changed. Put in this fucker in. What is it? I can't even see. Anyway, it's putting 1030 in it. Anti-COVID tank, so I just chill in the car. It's pretty dope. I'm gonna do my belts, but too lazy. Fucking so lazy to do. But yeah, I'm really just chilling. This is dope. I think they like suck the oil out from up top. It's pretty dope.
I'm gonna be doing Papa's got a brand new bag, living in America. Sex machine, get up off of that thing. I feel good. Jam.
So, just posted up. Finally did the oil change on this thing. Had this thing for like 5 months and I didn't do the oil. It's crazy. So, hopefully this thing will stop ticking. Well, it doesn't really tick, but like, you know, hopefully it'll be happy now. I don't feel so bad about neglecting it. But yeah, I definitely need to do the belts. And then I need to take care of that passenger side wheel because it's like so annoying. I gotta see if my wheel's weak too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All after.
2 hours later.
Just taking my belts now. Jeez, that's so cool. This is so awesome. I want one so bad. It's getting cool. Wow. These are like really expensive too. Damn, they're like full like interchangeable pieces and shit. So let me see if I know my cars. So that's a Porsche 918, I think. 918 race car. GT4 maybe? GT2? I don't know. That one's a CLKR, I think. Racing CLKR, it should be. It's obviously a R8. That one's shit. I know it's a Carrera 4S, I think. It's 996 gen. Not too sure. This one obviously freaking yellow bird. Wide body. 996. This one's a crazy one. I think that's the Audi diesel. The V10 TDI. Crazy. That was just an SLK. Man, Porsches are freaking sick. GT3R. What? I want one so bad. Almost just.
Tomorrow.
And guess where we at again? Hey. So, this is what Canada does to cars. This is not matte finish. This is salt. You wish it was matte, bruh. This is exactly why I don't drive my M3. in the wintertime. Like, look at that shit. That's ridiculous. How dare that amount of salt, bruh? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Bro, I drove this thing like twice this week. This is ridiculous. Toronto, how dare you? That damn salt. So, this motherfucker needs some rear tires. I've been chewing these bitches up. Or are they R-triple-A's? Which one? You decide. Semi-slick or no? Just get my glamour shots. Bitch. Damn. Let me lock it in.
A few moments later.
Problematic. Problematic.
I'm concerned because there's nothing wrong.
And what are you going to say to your fans when they ask you some questions about it?
I'm going to say I feel good.
I have no idea why that's like that. Honestly, one of the best mods I ever did on this car was cleaning up the headlights. When I got it, it was so yellow. I sanded it and then clear coated it. Thanks to I think Chris Fix It. Shout out Chris Fix It. The only thing I don't like, that's why they try to justify $4. Bitch, I already done clean my motherfucking car. I got a whole minute left. Disrespect. Bitch, I need $3. Come on. Stock market thing. I need $3. Boy, scared the shit out of me. So whoever gets this car next can't tell me I didn't fucking take care of it. Hey, you can edit that for though. Okay, I know it's fucking almost done. It's so aggressive, bro. Golly. Star? Oh, okay. That was ridiculous. Shout out whoever left me a water bottle to drink. I was so thirsty, man. Yeah, this car's pretty sick. One thing I would say for the year is like it's not very rusty. Like they rust in weird spots. But this one seems to be mint. Like, don't go at it with a fucking rustoscope. Right here. Big rustoscope. Big aero package on a bit. To be honest, I don't really like these smoke tails, but I ain't spending money to fucking make that ones. Yo, man's always ask me if I'm selling this car. Bro, why would I pull up in this nice clean car and just be like, oh yeah, I'm selling it? Get the fuck out of here, bro. It's a fucking 20-year-old classic, my nigga. Like, I'm not stupid. Goofy ass.
off the pack. I told that little bitch I got no time, just relax. I'm off that perky, I need this shit just for my bag. I'm sitting in the Cadillac, I'm smoking on Thrax. Got your bitch beside me, riding through the city in that foreign big body. Push him on the shit, and I know I'm in the party. Young nigga be riding through the city off that Molly. Yo bitch right beside me, that he holding on the Tommy. Holding on the AK, told that little bitch put that shit away. Just like TK, that nigga going away. 5 to 99, goddamn, that nigga ain't coming out. I'm putting it in her mouth. Young nigga coming from Toronto, nigga know that's from the south. South of Ontario, nigga know I'm a Cheerio. Going in a circle, put a holes in you niggas know I'm Furio. That's so furious, niggas fast. Dumping on the clutch, you know my whip it is too fast. Push up on the clutch and then I push up on the gas. Yo bitch love me, yeah she wanna give me all that ass. Give me all that ass. Give me all that ass. Give me all that ass.